Okay, good morning, everyone. Assalamualaikum. We have Mr. James Tom, the professional staff. We have Dr. Lee, we have myself, Dr. Norita, we have Dr. Sadia, and also we have Yujun, yeah? Okay, this is the accountancy major session, yeah, for those who have decided to pursue with the accountancy major, and also for those who are considering accountancy as a major. So 3 staff members from the accounting department are here. Obviously, I'm not Dr. Lee. I'm the second one, Dr. Norita, and we have Dr. Sadia. Okay. Okay, first of all, welcome to Monash University, Malaysia. Yeah, that's the university that you have chosen. Welcome to the School of Business. Yeah, and under the School of Business, this is the Department of Accounting, and your semester of intake is October 2021. Yeah, so for your information, there are 3 semesters. There is semester 1, semester 2, and this is October semester. Yeah, so welcome to Monash University, Malaysia. October intake. Okay, let me start with the accountancy career prospects. Yeah, so these are some of the career that you may explore after you have your accountancy major, your business degree from Monash University, Malaysia. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, we have a variety of career that you may venture into after you have graduated. Yeah, and some sounds very how do I put it? The old term that we use. Yeah, it's the auditor, but there are many types of auditor. Yeah, we have financial analyst. You can venture into the finance the area as well. Yeah, we have cost accountant if you like the management accounting very much, and we have a forensic accountant as well. Yeah, it sounds interesting. Yeah, forensic, and you may explore the career for this accountancy major further in this site provided by CPA Australia. Yeah, so you can see there are quite interesting job market. Yeah, you can see there, counter-terrorism financial investigator. Oh, that is very sophisticated. Yeah, so if you are keen to explore into that, you may go and find out more in this site. And also you have environmental accountant. We have founder of a startup company. Yeah, so this is the thing now has become popular, yeah, for the startup. And then we also have, this is the career zone. Yeah, you can find it from the ECCA Global. Yeah, so you can venture into advisory and consultancy. Yeah, but normally this area needs experience. Yeah, it's not meant for fresh graduate. Yeah, so risk management, financial and business reporting, and so on. Yeah, you may explore the career or the prospective jobs for accountancy major. Okay, just to let you know that Monash University Malaysia has been operating since late 1990s or early 2000s. Yeah, so here are the graduates. Yeah, these 2 graduates are among the first that have graduated from Monash University Malaysia. So these 2 guys have graduated since 2002. Yeah, so that's about 20 years already, and you can see their designation. Yeah, one is a CCO, executive VP in New York. Yeah, and the other one is a partner in PwC Malaysia. So you can see how they have actually climbed the career path within this 20 years of working. Yeah, so this is something that you can project yourself in 10 years, 1 decade or 2 decades. Yeah, so I have also showed here. Yeah? This is inspiring achievements also from Monash graduates. Yeah, this Mr. Pochitran Nanda Kumar graduated in 2018. Yeah, I call him Chit. Yes, for Chit Chat. He is now as a senior associate in PwC Malaysia, still in the audit line. Yeah, and we have one from Pakistan. That is Daniel Barucha, graduated 2017. Yeah, and he is the lead solution design specialist. So you can see a variety of options that you can venture into. And this is the most recent graduates. Yeah, one is from Indonesia, Mr. Reza, and also Miss Amira, both in a different industry, even though they have the accountancy major. So that shows that accountancy major, you have the flexibility in venturing into your career. Okay. So okay, those are the achievements of the graduates from Monash University, Malaysia. So let us go back to where you have to start. Yeah, that is how to get the accountancy major. Yeah, so we have core units. Yeah, for everybody to complete. Yeah, so in total there are 6 core units that you have to take before you can focus into your majoring or your major subjects. Yeah, so these are the 6 units that you have to take, and for October intake, you cannot take ACW 1120 Financial Accounting 1. This is the one, because it is not offered in October semester. Okay, so you have to do the other 4 core units before you can take the first paper in the accounting major, that is FA1, ACW 1120. Okay, these core units, there is no prerequisite among these units, meaning that you can take any of this without having to take the other unit. Yeah, because this is the basic unit. This is the first unit in in all of the departments. Yeah, so ACW 1120 Financial Accounting 1 is the first unit in the accounting major. So you have to take this before you take other units. Okay. So you will take this FA1 and you shall see Dr. Lee in semester 1, 2022, which will start in March next year. Okay, for now, you need to take this micro economics, statistics, management, and marketing. Okay, right. So these are other compulsory units under the accountancy major, meaning that you have to take this unit, in order for you to get the accountancy major. Yeah, so after you have taken ACW 1120 Financial Accounting 1, then only you can take ACW 2120 Financial Accounting 2. So that is what we call prerequisite. You cannot take this FA2 prior to taking the FA1. Yeah, so that is if you want to take it in sequence, this Financial Accounting 2 will be taken in your 3rd semester, which is semester 2, 2022. Okay, you got semester 1, you take the FA1. So these are the units, and you can see the first number here, that shows the level, meaning that 3120 is a level 3 unit. Yeah, so it is Financial Accounting 3, meaning that you have to take this unit first because it's level 2, then only you can take this for level 3. Okay, for accountancy major, we got accreditation from the professional accounting bodies, for you to pursue with your professional qualification. So in regards to this, you need to take 2 more papers, in order for you to get the full exemption from the professional bodies. The units are in introductory macroeconomics and also corporate finance 1, in addition to this accountancy major units. Okay, so this information is available from the EMO. So you may consult the EMO professional staff to get more detail about the sequence or your course projection, your plan for your 3 years study period in Monash, Malaysia. Okay, So once you have done all the requirements, yeah, you have taken all the units required for you to earn that accountancy major. So you will get the degree with the accountancy major, yeah, and your degree is accredited by ACCA. Yeah, I'm sure all of you know what ACCA is about. Yeah, and for now, we have been getting full exemptions prior to this, but now there is accreditation exercise, and we are in the middle of doing it, so it is still pending. Yeah, and Dr. Lee can advise you more detail about this. Yeah, so prior to this, we have a full exemptions of 9 units, and once you have the full exemptions, you need to take 4 papers to gain that ACCA title. Okay, so that 4 papers comprise of 2 compulsory papers and also 2 electives. Yeah, once you have done these 4 units or 4 papers with the 3 years related working experience, then you can earn, or you can get the title of CA, yeah, of ACCA. Same case, we are also exempted, or we got full exemption from CPA Australia, yeah, in which that you have to take 6 more papers, yeah, 6 more papers comprised of 4 compulsory with 2 electives. Yeah, so electives means that you can choose any of these 4, yeah, 2 out of these 4 papers, and you need to gain or accumulate 3 years related with working experience, yeah, to be the member of CPA Australia. Yeah, CPA Australia is an accounting body from Australia. ACCA is from UK. The same goes for MIPA CANS. Yeah, MIPA is Malaysian Institute of Certified Public Accountant. That is a Malaysian body, accounting professional body, and also CAANZ CANS. Yeah, so you need to take 5 papers, and the same thing, you need to accumulate 3 years related working experience to be accepted as a full member of this institution. Okay, in addition to that, there is one more information about if you want to know more about the future of work, new norm and new skills. This is a good venue for you. Yeah, here is the link for you to register yourself. Yeah, and it is shown latest by today, Friday, 22nd October, and this is on the 26th of October. Yeah. So if you are interested, please register and join the session. Okay. So I suppose that is the briefing that I need to do. So I'm opening the floor for question and answers. You may speak up, or you may put it in the chat. Okay, back to you, Dr. Lee.
Okay, so do you want to unshare this?
Okay, unless they want to have a look at any of the details here. Oh.
Okay, so as you see, what has been briefed by Dr. Norita earlier, you have to decide whether you want to major in accountancy, all right? But you still have a semester to think about it, because you don't need to determine which unit you need to take. So if you decided to major in accounting, okay, you have to take ACW 1120, which is taught by me. However, if you decided, no, I actually want to major finance, I want to major economics, but you still have to take 1 core unit for accounting. That will be the unit that is taught by Dr. Sadia, ACW 1020. Therefore, today, 2 of us are here to actually brief you what is the difference of our unit, what is the difference of our focus, to give you an idea. Okay, maybe we get Dr. Sadia to actually briefly tell the student what is covered in ACW 1020, which is a non-accounting major unit.
Thank you, Dr. Lee. Good morning, students. So I'm here. I'm not one of the lecturers that going to teach you if you major in accounting. but I've been invited in case you have questions related to my unit, which is offered to non-accounting students. It means that if you do not want to major in accounting, you are required to take my unit, which is one of the core unit for the program. The unit is ACW 1020, Accounting in Business. Okay, so from the title of the unit itself, you can see that it is actually a broad introduction to accounting, mainly focused on how we use information in decision making. Okay, so it's very different from the unit that Dr. Lee will teach, which is ACW 1120. My unit will focus less on technical part of accounting. We are going to examine more of the quality of information, how to apply that information in decision making. So if you want to know more, I'm sure you can access the handbook and read a bit about the unit. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, so one more key difference is ACW 1020 will be fully online next semester, right, Dr. Sadia?
Yes, it will be offered fully online in semester 1 2022.
Yes, fully online means Zoom.
Yes, just like this.
Yeah, just like this. Yes. Zoom, yeah. So, but for ACW 1120 would be offered face-to-face and also a blended. It's kind of blended mixture. Yeah, but more on physical class. Yeah. So, okay. So, what is difference between these two units is basically mine is very technical. Is for accounting major student technical. So we have a lot of accounting journal entries, you know, how to prepare financial statements. So it's basically, yeah, calculation, yeah. But Dr. Sadia is actually more on writing, right, Dr. Sadia?
Yeah, we have more like applying the concept. We don't have that technical part, which is mainly meant for preparing financial statements. We are not preparing financial statements in ACW 1020, but to understand the meaning of the information in the financial statements.
Yeah, so it's
no,
basically
not so much of technical part.
Yeah, so we are the preparer. We are in the center of preparing. But yes. Students who are taking Dr. Sadia unit are actually outside the system. Yeah, so they are actually analyzing the financial statements from a non-accountant's point of view. So I hope this is actually explained to you the distinction, the difference between ACW 1120 and ACW 1020. Okay, so I can see there are quite a lot of questions now. So in the chat box, maybe we can actually answer some of them. Okay, Ian have a questions about double major. Okay, is it possible to take the professional sequence elective for accounting and save enough unit slots to complete another major? The answer is yes, Dr. Norita, right?
Yes. Yeah, but you have less electives to take because it's quite tight. Yeah, because the other major requires a certain number of units for you to fulfill. You have accountancy major together with the professional sequence, so it's a bit tight for you, but it's doable. Yeah, actually most students have do the double major, and usually it's accountancy and banking and finance, and also accountancy and data analytics.
But they are also
the normal combination.
Yeah, but there are also some students actually do accounting and law, accounting and marketing, accounting and management. I'm not so sure. Is there a lot? They are. So it's actually doable. Let me just briefly count for you. Yeah. So you have 6 core. So 6. And we have 10 compulsory, right? Dr. Norita, can you just show the screen just now?
Hang on.
Yeah. Next slide. Yes, here. This one.
Have
here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So it's 10 plus 6. So it's 16. So for 24, you need another 8 unit from another major. Okay, so but you also have to take note that if you're taking accounting and finance, accountancy and finance, so we have one corporate finance here. So there is a common unit. Yeah, there's a common unit that actually you can have extra elective, or you actually take law, accounting and law. So you can see law there is a company law and an income tax law. So actually for law student, some of my students actually do 2 major and 1 minor. Accounting, law major, and then do 1 more minor. I'm not so sure how they're able to do that.
I think it's supposed to be only have one combination that can be 2 minor and 2 major and 1 minor, which is accounting, finance, and law, because these are the overlap units they have. So only can have this if you want to do 2 major and 1 minor.
Yeah, but I still have students doing accounting and business analytics, and they also do another minor in law, I think. So they actually play around with the professional sequence unit. Yeah, because you may know, but we just tell you a little bit. For ACCA, students do not need to take macroeconomics. Okay, so they actually take this chance, but we don't advise you to do that. We actually want, that is the best advice to take all this professional sequence unit, because just in case, you know, after you graduate, you decided not to take ACCA, you want to take CPA Australia or CANS, they need the macro. So it's safer to take all the sequence unit we have advised you to open up your options. Yeah, okay. So next questions we have is, if I transfer and complete my degree in Monash, Australia, will I still get the 9 ACCA paper exemption? Kevin, if you decided to do transfer to do in Monash, Australia, my best advice to you is try to do your accounting units in Australia. Okay, and your ACCA exemption will be following Monash, Australia's exemption, not Monash, Malaysia exemption. Yeah, because ACCA is very particular about which institution you are doing your degree, where you complete your degree. Okay, so you will complete, Kevin, if you transfer, you'll be considered a Monash, Australia graduate. So you have to follow their exemption. Okay, so just bear in mind, try to minimize the units that you take from here, because you'll be graduating there. Okay. When do we allocate 2022 units? Is this the first day they're coming here, Norita?
I'm not sure, but you will have session with the EMO, and they will advise you about the allocation.
Yeah. So the allocation, you will actually allocate your classes, your lecture and your tutorials for this semester, just for this semester. But I think for enrollment, I think they need to enroll also for next semester, 2 semester.
Yeah, usually they will do 2 semesters in
Yeah, so not to worry, you just enroll your 4 units this semester, and the next semester unit that you need to enrollment, you can put any units first. There is no urgency. Just put to fulfill the enrollment requirement. When you come to that semester, you will change it. You can actually change it easily up to week 3 of the semester. Yeah, okay. So next questions. Chihan, will we get the paper exemption if you complete the degree here in Malaysia? What exemption? You're talking about professional exemption. Are you talking about professional exemption? Yeah, as you see from Norita, just now she is briefing you about the ACCA, CPA Australia, CPA Malaysia, CANS. Yeah, you should be able to get. But for ACCA, as Dr. Norita has mentioned, we are actually renewing our accreditation. So we are actually still completing, you know, the exercise. We're still doing it. So we should be able to tell you maybe end of December, maybe, or next year when you start next calendar year, no financial year. Yeah. Okay.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, Jensen. Yeah.
Yes, Jensen.
Yes, thank you. All right. I just want to know for if you're doing the double degree, how many majors in business as a whole can we choose?
Double degree, Norita. Double degree, right? You're talking about
so that would be Bachelor of Business and Commerce and Bachelor of Digital Media and Communication.
Just to chip in, it's 1 major. You don't have enough.
One major, right?
Yeah.
I think so. You don't have
So
double.
one major from business, one major from arts.
Arts, I don't think they follow a major system, so maybe
Yeah.
you don't have a major.
You have the degree.
Ah, okay, okay. So
You have
only
double
from the
degree,
business
right?
side of things.
So you got 2 transcript, I think, 2 certificate. The degree, you got 2
Yeah,
degree.
okay.
Yeah, so 1 degree is from the media, 1 degree is from the business, and I think you can only do one major, single major.
One major, all right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
For student of the BBSCom, you can also choose to 1 major, yeah, not to force yourself too much. Double major is actually a kind of a, I think it's a marketing tool, so to to think that you can do double major. But if you think that double major is heavy for you, you want to do single major, double minor, or single minor is fine. Yeah, or you actually have your agenda. You actually come to learn things so that you can run your own business. Then double major may not be your objective. You may want to learn relevant knowledge in each department to run your business. So ask yourself, what is your objective here? Yeah. So don't follow your friends. If friends say double major, you also double major. No, everyone is different. Yeah. Okay. Can I take BTW1042 in this semester instead of ETW1001? Unfortunately, I think no. There's only 4 units offered in October semester. Am I right, Dr. Norita?
Yeah, I
Oh,
believe so.
well, Miss, I think maybe have some difference because I have got an email from Monash and it says we have BTW 1042 in this semesters and we don't have BTW 1001.
Can you show us, Norita, the unit?
Yeah, this is the one I get it from EMO. It says that this is the one that they have to take it for this October. So I'm not aware of this 1001, which is not offered this semester.
Yeah, so the best is if you have the training for EMO, I think maybe is it after this, James? Maybe you can check with them.
This is correct. You're only offered this 4 units. There's no other 4 units.
So what email have you received from? Who is the person who write you the email for this BTW?
It's just from Joe. It's the same part you have said.
Okay.
And we also have the course map about that. It's also have BTW 1042.
Is it for this semester?
Yes.
Have you done the course mapping already?
Yes, and yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so yeah, so okay, I did a double check. It's BTW 1042, ECW 1101, MKW 1120, and MGW 1010. So there is a slide for October. I think that's 1 unit you are wrong here. Hold on.
So it's not statistic, is it?
So meaning that this semester is business law instead of statistics, yeah?
Yes, I think so. Yes, correct. Yeah. No. Yes, statistics is taken out. It's BTW 1042.
Okay, I'm sorry for this confusion because this is the one that I got yesterday from the EMO. So I'm not aware that they have changed it. Sorry about that.
Don't worry.
Here,
I think at the end still the CMO who decide. Yeah, because we wouldn't know. Yeah, so maybe later when you go to the law major, ask them. Yeah, that would be the best, isn't it? Who is the CE in charge for your unit for BTW 1042? Okay, so there should be a major briefing on BTW 1042.
Yeah, there will be a major briefing for law.
Thank you.
All right, thank you for telling us.
Thank you.
Yeah, because October intake is a very special semester. Yeah, and
I know.
They only offer 4 units. Yeah, you have no choice. There's only 4, so
and it's all about business.
Yeah, so okay. So if ACW,
thank you very much.
Thank you, no worry, Jess. If ACW 120 is offered face-to-face next semester, I haven't arrived in Malaysia before the new semester starts. Come in then. Are you able to come in, Jess? I think we're offering face-to-face tutorial.
I believe if the university is opening, it's supposed to be a hybrid model. They still can, you need to check, but I think it still can be online, but it's recommended you come in as soon as you can.
Yeah, I think it's the best chance to come in for the physical. We have having online for the two years.
Yes.
I don't think you will. I'm not discouraging you for the online, but
Yes.
we are looking forward to go back to the face to face, so that we can see the students, interact with them.
Sorry to those who wants to go for the next major, is going to be soon.
Okay,
I think you 10:45. We still got a few more minutes, but quickly, if you have any more questions.
We still got 10 minutes. We still got time.
No.
10 minutes. No worry.
Sorry to interrupt. Yeah? Can I just ask if it's possible for you guys to upload this recording so we can refer back to the PowerPoint?
It will be uploaded, but it will take a few days as we will edit the video out, and it will be uploaded to the your first semester website page. Hold on, let me. I'll paste the link in the.
If you can post the link, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Rifania, you're asking, can we take both ACW 1120 and ACW 20 if you're planning to do double major? The answer is try not to, because if you do double major and you take these two, it is going to take up your elective, and you won't have enough units to do double major. As I actually counted for you just now, it's actually very tight for double major. Especially one of it is accountancy major. So you have to think which unit you want to take next semester. Yeah, you still have the time, to think about it. Imagine the students who come in next semester, they have no time to think about it. They have to decide already. Okay, so if you're not so sure whether you want to do accounting major or not, take ACW 1120. That will be the safest one.
Yep.
Yeah, we have students taking 2 units. Yeah.
So for students who are planning to go for double major, just take 1120, and if we decided to switch our major, it will be fine. We won't need to do the 1020.
No, both units fulfill your accounting core. Yeah, so you can both units also. If you take ACW 1120 and you realize that, oh, actually I don't like accounting, then it's okay. You can move on, but you must pass ACW 1120 as your core unit for accounting. Yeah, both units are core units for accounting. Okay, so you don't need to take both. With the
hang on, I would like to just emphasize on that. Yeah, ACW 1120 can be used for other majors, yeah, as well. But ACW 1020 cannot be used for accounting. Yeah? It doesn't work both ways. 1120 can be used for any majors, but 1020 cannot be used for accounting. Yeah, so to be safer, take 1120.
Okay, Adish, you asked with the added professional sequence, what are the added benefits completing them? If you want to do professional qualification, then you can take, it's elective. It's not compulsory, yeah? Torita, can you go to that slide? Yeah, it's elective. So if you are not planning to do professional qualification, you don't need to take these 2 units. Yeah, it's just for professional qualification. Would it be difficult to study accountancy if you have never studied accounting during high school before? Not at all. Not all. Some of my students who actually never studied accounting before are the top students. So it's not about whether you have accounting prior knowledge or not. Sometimes prior knowledge is actually your obstacle because you get confused. So if you actually have come clean, know nothing, it's actually sometimes it's actually even easier. So that is not a consideration. The consideration is, can you work hard or not? If you cannot work hard, I think this is not the unit you should do. It's a very overwhelming. You ask Yijun. Yijun is actually accounting major, right? Yeah. So it's actually heavy. Yeah, heavy. Yeah. If you take second major. No, yeah. So Ian, you understand, yeah? It's either ACW 1120 or 2. Both can act as a core unit. What about CPA exemption when we transfer to Australia campus? I think CPA, no problem, Norita.
Yeah.
Transfer.
Is it the exemption is applicable for Malaysian code and also Australian code, so no issue of transferring or exchange.
Yeah, for Australia professional, there's no issue. CANS and CPA Australia, no issue because it was awarded to us because we are part of the Monash campuses. Yeah, Australia professional is more easier, but ACCA is a little bit tricky there. They are very rigid. They follow by university. Okay. Is it easier for me to get ACCA contact to inquire further about exemption in Monash, Australia? I have to go and find the name for you. Yeah. But you can, for Kevin, you can actually check the calculator, ACCA calculator. I can give you later, yeah? Let me finish the questions. Will ACW 1101 be online learning? 1101. Are you talking about 1102? 1120? I also confused already. No,
there is
we
no
were
ACW
1101. We are not doing online. We are doing physical.
Yes.
Yeah, we're doing physical. Yeah, we try to do physical, but I think we will have recording. I think tutorial how to record. Cannot, right? We think about it. Chihan, are you able to come in? Because if let's say the university open, right? I think to fulfill your visa, you have to come in, I believe. So maybe it's good to ask the EMO on your student visa thing. We are not trained on the student visa. Okay.
Neither are we, but there's an international student office for all these things. I think it's
yeah, because you already started October intake, right? So
yeah,
I suppose you should plan to come in next year. I believe because some of my students first semester, this semester, which is ended today, they are coming in next week, next month after the exam. So they was telling me that student visa, they have to come in. So I'm not so sure about.
Please check with the ISP office. I think there will be some circular as soon as we have a confirmation.
Kevin, I just put in the link for the ACCA exemption calculator. You can actually click this link and actually just type Monash, Australia. Yeah, Monash, Australia campus. Monash University, Australia, that you can see all your exemption unit there. Okay, so those are the units that you should take for your Australia studies. Okay, it looks like we're trying to. It's not forced to be physical class. You cannot say it's forced to be physical class, Chihan. It's our. I think we want to offer physical class for better engagement. Yeah, better interaction and engagement. Yeah. Okay, so it's not really say forced to do. I think you are forced to do online, actually, not forced to do physical. But we have blended. I think we are going to do blended maybe for a workshop. Yeah, if I can record, I will try to record for the benefit of the student. But let's do your October intake first as October semester and see whether you enjoy online classes. Maybe you enjoy more and you will look at, because our next semester is actually still long time to come. It's actually in March, right? Yeah, so it's like 4-5 months. This is the first students actually really enjoy doing online. I think maybe you have a very exciting PU studies, I think. Huh?
All right, so in that case, the entire October semester will be online, right?
James, can you answer these questions?
Okay, at this point in time, it's still online. If there is open classes, will be a by the indication is if there's going to be classes on campus, it will be still a hybrid model. Indication I cannot confirm. So means hybrid means that there will be online component to the class and also in-person class.
Both.
So
right. But the issue is they told us that when we enroll for our units, we cannot then change, and allocate plus, like we cannot then change from on campus, from online to on campus. So how would that work in that case then?
That's why
it's not on campus. I think October intake is a hybrid.
yeah, it's most likely hybrid.
Yeah.
So
Hybrid
it means
means
there will be an
you are-
online
you are
component
yeah.
to the class. Means that the class will be both online and on campus at the same time. You get what I mean? You can attend both, either
Same
one
time.
or the other. So
Hybrid
now you
means at the
cannot,
same
there's
time.
no
Yeah.
final confirmation.
yeah, this is the
Okay.
this is the direction that we that I heard, but I cannot confirm because there's no official confirmation yet, I think. So that's what the direction seems to be heading towards, which is going to be a hybrid model for October, pending final operational.
Yeah. Hybrid means.
I mean, we're not in the most dependable times right now, you know.
Yes. Hybrid means actually at the same time you can do online and also in person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So not to worry, I think. When we say physical means everyone go to the tutorial class and actually we conduct physically. So that will not be a hybrid in tutorial in the sense. Okay. So another 3 minutes. This student Angela, you want to take banking and finance as major? Will I take more advantages? So it's up to you whether you want to do accounting or not. Finance major not necessary. You need the accounting knowledge. Our finance lecturers are not they are not specializing in accounting as we do. Same as we are not specializing in the finance as well. Okay, so how to check exemption or prerequisite as an accounting major student if they want to transfer to Monash, Australia? Monash, Australia, I think you have to check the Monash, Australia website for the degree you want to actually enroll and check with their EMO, I think.
Well, generally, the exemption of the prerequisite is almost the same as Malaysia, except for the code. Ours is ACW, theirs is ACC, ACF. Generally, the rules are the same, the prerequisite and also exemption.
Structure is the same. Our structure is the same. Yeah, it's just the unit is different. And you can see we have, in the handbook, they are actually, this in the handbook, they will say this unit, Satya, do you know that? I forgot.
What is that?
Already ACW 10.
Prohibition.
Prohibition.
Yes.
Yeah, if you look, it means that these two units are the same. Yeah. So, you know, we have the same structure, so not to worry. Okay. So when I say when you think unit here is actually facilitate if you want to do ACCA, it's better, easier for you to claim exemption. But if you plan to do an Australia professional, there's no problem. You can take here and take there. Okay. But student who transfer, want to do exchange, also, we advise you to do accounting units here in Monash, Malaysia. Not to do accounting units during your exchange. To minimize complication when you claim exemption for ACCA. Yeah, so do all your accounting units here if you do an exchange. All right. So James, I think time's up. I think they want to go to another major, right? And then major briefing.
Yes. The other major is about to start. Yep.
Recording, they will actually put in the link in the website, the school website, right, James?
Yes, first semester.
In the school.
Yeah.
I think there's a section for first year.
Yeah, I post the link there.
First semester students, the link, the recording will be posted there. Yeah. So if you still have any questions, you can ask. You can email to EMO. Hopefully, they can actually respond to you. Okay. All right.
So all the
Thank
best.
you very much. It's a very short period. Yeah.
Once again, welcome to Monash. Enjoy your student life here, and hopefully you'll see Dr. Lee or Dr. Sadia.
Yes. It's good to see you in person. Dr. Sadia maybe still not lah. It's online.
Through screen.
Yeah, through screen. Yes.
Thank
So
you.
yeah, it's good.
Okay,
Thank you all.
thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you very
Wonderful
much.
day.
Yeah.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice
Thank you.
day.
All the best.
Bye. Have
All
a
the
Wonderful
best.
nice
All the
day.
best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Dr. Lee, Dr. Satya.
Thank you,
Dr.
Thank you,
Yijun,
Ija.
for having
Bye.
me.